Do you want to work online but have no experience? Don't worry, today I'll share the top remote jobs you can start even as a complete beginner. First, virtual assistant. As a VA, you help clients with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, or simple research. Many business owners look for reliable assistants online. Second, social media manager. If you enjoy using Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can help businesses post content and grow their pages. Third, online customer support. Companies hire remote workers to answer customer questions through chat or email. You just need good communication skills. Fourth, content writer. If you like writing, you can create blog posts, product descriptions, or simple articles. Many clients don't require prior experience. And fifth, data entry. This is one of the easiest online jobs. It involves typing and organizing information into spreadsheets or databases. So, even if you have no experience, you can start with jobs like virtual assistant, social media manager, customer support, content writing, or data entry. These roles can open the door to more advanced freelancing opportunities. Subscribe to Freelance with Jay, where we teach practical freelancing skills, remote jobs, and how to earn your first $1 online. Don't miss my next video, How to Land Your First Freelance Client, Step-by-Step Guide.